So just use the MicroTouch SwitchBlade product, and overall I give it a 9 on a scale of 10. It felt very good to the skin. It didn't prick the hair. It didn't yank the hair. It was very soothing, even without using any kind of shaving cream. Um, it's also a lot nicer feeling to the skin than a old-fashioned blade. Obviously, it doesn't cut as close as that one does, but it does a really great job. Um, I think mostly I like the fact that it can get the nose hairs very easily, very delicately. I put it in there, it whipped around, it got it nicely. It didn't prick or pull or injure your nostrils at all. It felt really good. I like this product. I would definitely um, suggest this product for men out there who want a quick and easy shave. I mean, you can take it on the go, easy pop out in the morning, run with it. Seeing it their way.